Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to hit the shelves. Today, we're diving into the world of Raspberry Pi cooling solutions with the 52Pi Ice Tower Cooler for Raspberry Pi 5. Now, if Vin Diesel had a Raspberry Pi, this might just be the cooler he'd choose. With its muscle car aesthetic and promises of extreme cooling, this cooler certainly catches the eye. But does it deliver on its bold claims? Let's find out. First off, let's talk construction. The Ice Tower Cooler boasts a solid build with an aluminum heatsink, copper heat pipes, and an RGB fan. Assembly is a breeze, taking just a few minutes with a screwdriver. But what about port access? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. While the cooler doesn't obstruct major ports, accessing the camera and display ports can be a bit tricky due to the tight spacing. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter, cooling performance. We put the Ice Tower Cooler through its paces with some rigorous testing. At idle, we recorded a CPU temperature of 34 degrees Celsius, matching some of the best coolers on the market. But when we pushed the Raspberry Pi 5 to its limits, things started to heat up. Under stress, the CPU reached a peak temperature of 58.7 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest coolers in our test group. So, where does that leave us? While the Ice Tower Cooler certainly looks the part with its in-your-face aesthetic, it falls short in terms of cooling performance. It only cools the society, leaving other components vulnerable to heat. In the end, the Ice Tower Cooler is more of a showpiece than a workhorse. It may appeal to those who prioritize style over substance, but for practical cooling, there are better options available. That wraps up our review of the 52Pi Ice Tower Cooler for Raspberry Pi 5. As always, thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of your favorite tech gadgets. Until next time, happy tinkering!